fluffy toy.
Pikachu.
Yeah.
The puppet broke.
Hello.
Today we reviewed it.
Puppet Pro.
One
Target.
is a Puppet Pro. It's the light up pattern popping game. How many players is needed?
1. 1 plus.
2. And for what age?
5 plus.
With 3 different games. Pro mode, pop and pass, and popping Liz.
Also, when you get no more battery, you can screw it to get a new battery.
Does it have battery now?
Yeah?
So it came with battery.
Yeah,
Yeah.
came with that.
What thing about Sandy?
Good.
What thing about Mason? Good. Let's open it.
There are many benefits of playing with Pop-It fidget toys for kids. The most important benefit is that it helps in the development of their fine motor skills. Additionally, playing with these toys also help in the development of their cognitive skills and problem-solving skills. Moreover, fidget toys are also known to provide relief from stress and anxiety. So, if you are looking for a toy that can help your child in their overall development, then opt for Pop-It fidget toys. Another benefit of playing with Pop-It fidget toys is that it helps in the social and emotional development of kids. These toys help in promoting positive social interactions among kids. Additionally, playing with these toys also help kids in developing their emotional intelligence. Moreover, fidget toys are also known to improve the communication skills of kids. So, if you want your child to develop their social and emotional skills, then opt for Pop-It fidget toys. So, these were some of the benefits of playing with Pop-It fidget toys for kids. If you are looking for a toy that can help your child in their overall development, then opt for Pop-It fidget toys.